Okay, so the Buck 251 Langford. Got this for about 25 bucks at Shields. There's your stats there. Flipper. Seven CR steel. But if it's anything like the Buck Trunks 7 CR, then it's really good. Yep, no mention of Boss Eat Treat. Yeah, that's a real grayish green G10. It's smooth, feels good. I would not trust that as a finger choil. Jumping on the blade. Good lockup on the liner. Centered. Deep carry, tip up. Right hand only, tip up only carry on the clip. Fairly deep carry. Says it has bearings, and I'm going to say those are I don't know, do they have washers and bearings together? Do they make knives like that? If I can get this to focus, you can see the shiny. First flip. Yeah, it's bearings. The trunk I cannot flip like this, so yeah, this is a really nice flip. Very nice. Not quite drop shutty yet. Well, there you go, the Buck Langford, Buck 251 Langford. Looks like a slightly bigger version of the trunk with a different blade shape. Well, actually, oh, you see that? Almost tried to bite me. Actually, it's got different handles shape too, so it's a different knife. Lanyard hole.